Hey everyone, TechVib here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok For You page. So let's get started. So there's a couple ways to do this. First, we're going to go ahead and open up TikTok, and then we're going to go to our profile right here. Now, once in your profile, you're going to click on these three lines up top here, so we can get to Settings and Privacy. Now, from Settings and Privacy, under Content and Display, you should see option that says Content Preferences. So we're going to select that, and there should be option that says Refresh Your For You feed. And basically, once we hit Continue, we do a refresh, it's going to go ahead and reset your For You page, and we can select the option if we don't want to, but you don't have to. Now, that's going to be one way to do it. Now, you also want to do this thing where you're on your main page here. You're going to go ahead and click on the search option here. And if you have previous searches of content that you don't want to see anymore, you want to basically delete them from your search. So go ahead and do that. For the content that you do want to see, you're going to want to search those content up. So if you write maybe road cycling, right, you're going to search all that content up. And the reason why that is over time, as you search these content up, TikTok algorithm will realize that's the content you want to see, and it's going to start showing up more on your For You page. Now, along with that, if there's content that you don't want to see, if you run into those content, all you're going to do is click on that arrow that's like a share icon. It's not share. And you're going to select not interested, right? Again, you're going to do not interested. And over time, as you do those and look through stuff that you like versus you don't like, TikTok will recognize that and then give you the content that you want to see. Now, this can take sometimes a few days for the For You page to completely reset, but this method will work. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for TikTok. We'll see you guys next time.